Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Play Solana token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Play Solana originally launched as a community-driven initiative without external funding. Play Solana has evolved into a live platform empowering consoles, games, and on-chain experiences. Play Solana is a community-driven Web3 gaming ecosystem on Solana that integrates gaming hardware, software, and culture IP into a unified platform called the Super Hub. Play Solana is a holistic attempt to merge gaming culture with blockchain utility, backed by Solana's technical infrastructure and community-first token model, while its Super Hub vision is to ambitious execution risk like recent token launch missteps highlights the challenges of balancing decentralization with user experiences. Can it sustain developer and players' interest as Web3 gaming evolves? Play Solana project institution rating is 3.4. Play Solana token total supply is 5 billion and circulating supply is around 1.13 billion Play token. Play token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.